How to fix Telegram server side problems. Sometimes Telegram server issues cause outages or slow performance. When this happens, there's limited action you can take on your end. First, check Telegram's official Twitter or status pages for announcements. You can also visit websites like Down Detector to see if others are affected. Avoid logging out or reinstalling Telegram during server outages, as this won't fix the problem. Instead, wait patiently for Telegram to resolve the issue. You can try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi or using a VPN to bypass local network restriction if servers seem down. Have you experienced a Telegram outage before? Share your story in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.